Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Converge.
What does the dictionary say?
To have values eventually arbitrarily close to some number. To have a finite limit.
Math rap.
When lines, numbers, or a function tend to meet at a definite value or point at the end, they converge to a value that is specific, and when things meet together, that's terrific.
Math rap.
Explain convergence in your own words. What happens when you throw a water balloon really hard and it converges with a brick wall? List things that converge. Draw 3 examples of objects converging. Smartphones are an example of convergence because many functions come from that one device. How many things can a smartphone do? Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!